Where is the boy? A. He is at school. B. He is in a supermarket. C. He is at the park. D. He is in a car.
He is at the park.
What is the man doing? A. He is cooking dinner. B. He is driving a car. C. He is reading a book. D. He is playing basketball.
He is driving a car.
Where are the children? A. They are on a beach. B. They are in a classroom. C. They are at the zoo. D. They are in a swimming pool.
They are in a swimming pool.
What is the woman holding? A. She is holding a book. B. She is holding a cup of coffee. C. She is holding a tennis racket. D. She is holding a phone.
She is holding a phone.
What is the dog doing? A. It is running in the yard. B. It is eating food. C. It is sleeping in the bed. D. It is playing with a ball.
It is playing with a ball.
Where is she? A. She is at a restaurant. B. She is in a library. C. She is at the gym. D. She is in a supermarket.
She is in a library.
What are they doing? A. They are watching TV. B. They are dancing at a party. C. They are shopping for clothes. D. They are playing soccer.
They are playing soccer.
Where is the girl? A. She is on a bicycle. B. She is in a car. C. She is on a bus. D. She is on a train.
She is on a bicycle.
What is the man eating? A. He is eating a sandwich. B. He is eating an apple. C. He is eating a pizza. D. He is eating a salad.
He is eating a pizza.
What is the woman wearing? A. She is wearing a red dress. B. She is wearing a blue jacket. C. She is wearing a yellow hat. D. She is wearing a green scarf.
She is wearing a blue jacket.
Where are they going? A. They are going to the park. B. They are going to a restaurant. C. They are going to a concert. D. They are going to the airport.
They are going to the airport.
What is the child doing? I. The child is painting a picture. B. The child is reading a book. C. The child is riding a scooter. D. The child is playing with a dog.
The child is painting a picture.
Where is the family? I. They are in the kitchen. B. They are in the living room. C. They are at the beach. D. They are in the garden.
They are at the beach.
What are they drinking? I. They are drinking water. B. They are drinking juice. C. They are drinking coffee. D. They are drinking tea.
They are drinking juice.
What is the boy holding? A. He is holding a football. B. He is holding a toy car. C. He is holding a balloon. D. He is holding a kite.
He is holding a football.
Where is the woman sitting? I. She is sitting on the grass. B. She is sitting on a chair. C. She is sitting on a bench. D. She is sitting on a sofa.
She is sitting on a bench.
What is the girl wearing? I. She is wearing a raincoat. B. She is wearing a swimsuit. C. She is wearing a school uniform. D. She is wearing a hat.
She is wearing a swimsuit.
What is the man doing? A. He is writing a letter. B. He is talking on the phone. C. He is walking the dog. D. He is eating lunch.
He is talking on the phone.
Where is the couple? A. They are at a wedding. B. They are on a boat. C. They are in a car. D. They are at a restaurant.
They are on a boat.
What is the boy building? A. He is building a sandcastle. B. He is building a tower of blocks. C. He is building a treehouse. D. He is building a snowman.
He is building a sandcastle.